In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube search not working on mobile issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to check if YouTube is down. I know this might be an easy one, but yeah, open up a web browser, go to Google, Yahoo, Bing, type in is YouTube down, go to any one of the top results and just click into it. And if YouTube is saying it is down or they're having outages, just basically there's nothing you can do, just wait it out basically and keep an eye on their socials to see when it might be fixed. Okay, next fix is fix number two. So we want to force close YouTube and reopen it. So this fixes a lot of random search glitches. So if you're on an iPhone, just swipe up, hold and swipe YouTube away. I'm on a Samsung, so I'm going to click the three dots. I'm going to click on close all and then try again. Now next fix is to switch between your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi data, go ahead and switch over to mobile data or cellular or vice versa. We can even turn on airplane mode as well by swiping down, click on flight mode, turn that on for 10 seconds and then turn it back on and try again. Now next fix is to update the YouTube app. So go to your Player App Store, do a search for YouTube like so. And now if it says update, go ahead and update the application. Now, if we got any VPN, ad blockers or private DNSs running in the background, we want to go ahead and disable them for the time being because these can break search. So yeah, just turn them off. And then basically if they are the issues, you can filter them out, add them in as an exception inside of your VPN ad blockers or private DNS. Now, last resort here is to reinstall YouTube. So basically go ahead and click on uninstall and then reinstall it, restart your phone.